Check out the bike. I just gave it a good clean. I ran into some issue. If you see right here, the cylinder, I had some issues finding the new one. The other one was junk. Finally, thanks to the kid who put a comment, he said, hey, you could just get an 85 cylinder, it should fit. And that's what I did, and that's how I got this thing to run. As you can see, the other one I had powder coated. This one is not powder coated. There's a chip right here, I know, but it's a dirt bike, so whatever. I just couldn't find a wheel that fits this bike. That's why I got these kind of wheels. But all these stuff was all new, as you can see. I spent a lot of money on this thing. I mean, part of the reason why I stopped doing this build is because I was gonna be buying a house, and I didn't want to really spend money. This thing was kind of taking some money off of me, and I was just really focused on, you know, making that move. And I knew I was gonna need some down payment and stuff like that, because this is like what, my 4th house. So you know, they're not gonna let me get away with giving 3% down. I had to put down like 25% to buy this house. So you know, I just couldn't keep doing this build because this bike is so old that I just keep spending a lot of money. But I like how it came out. I've been ripping it for a couple of days, but today I'm gonna go ahead and put the graphics on. This bike is kind of tiny, so we're gonna do a graphics right here. Graphics here. The tank is still the same one. I just try to do the best to clean it up. Came out pretty good. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and put the graphics on. So we're gonna be putting on these graphics right here. These are by Sige. Shout out to them for sending me this. Sige graphics, man. That looks dope. We're gonna be putting Sige graphics on. Alright guys, we're gonna be putting this on. Let's take a look. Let's see how it looks. So supposedly that's gonna go like that. That's gonna be so dope. Wow. Let's see. This will go on a fender. Right there. Oh, that's gonna look so dope. I can already see, look at that. Line up the holes. That's gonna be dope. And this would go on the front. Don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'll figure it out. And this will go on the other side. Oh, check out my sprinkler working. That's how I keep it green, guys. Yeah, that makes more sense. One tip to you guys, you're gonna buy a house, make sure you get irrigation system, because nobody has time to be watering all this stuff. If you want a nice lawn, get an irrigation system. one thing you gotta do, you gotta rub alcohol all over that plastic. Take all that oil out. Even if it's a brand new plastic, it's gonna be some oil in there. A little bit on the tank. That's all I got. I don't have first aid kit, you know. That should do it. Alright guys, so that's one. If you had any extra piece over here, you just cut it off with the scissor. That's what I did. I just basically just went all the extras right there. I just cut it off right there and then make a seal. Hey guys, I'm not sure why, but I'm missing graphics right here and I have no number plate. Really? You know what? It's probably at my other house. I'm gonna probably check it out. If I find it, I'll put it on. Hey guys, this is what happens when you live in the woods. Look at that. That's the fastest turtle I've seen. Alright guys, the bike is looking pretty good. I just gotta play with the idle a little bit, but that's about it. Alright man, see you guys on the next one. Maybe next video I'll show you guys the inside of the house. Alright, peace. See you next time.